Hey there everyone, welcome to Technisha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link different slides in a PowerPoint presentation to buttons. For example, here is a presentation where you can navigate through different slides by clicking some buttons. So if you click the home button here, it goes to a page which gives you two options called big logo and small logo. So if you click small logo, you get a different slide, and you press home again and click big logo, it goes to another site. How can we do this? Let me show you. Here is a blank presentation. So let me just start the basic slides. I'm going to make this layout as blank, and let me insert a shape here. This is a rounded rectangle and I call it, let's say, big logo. Let me just increase the font here and just format it as a button, and let me copy this, paste it, and call it small logo. I'll add a new slide, a blank slide to it. Maybe change the layout to just title only, and let's call this slide big logo. Make a copy of that slide and call it small logo. Okay, so in the big logo, let me insert a picture, call it full logo, say insert, and in the small logo again insert another picture called profile logo. Okay, so there we have done the basic slides. Now what we want to do is try to navigate to the slide 2, slide 3 and so on with the help of buttons. Let me go to the big logo button out here, click on it and right click, and it will say hyperlink. So we can go to hyperlink and let's say link to a place in this document and click big logo, say okay. Similarly on the small logo, right click, hyperlink, again place in this document to small logo and say okay. Now to get back to this page, we also need to link the subsequent slides to the home page. For this you have a button called insert shapes, and down you would have action buttons. There you would have a button showing a house. Click on it, and this by default will hyperlink to the first slide. You can also change the slide if you need to go somewhere else in the document. In our case, it's the first slide. Say okay. I'm just going to copy this button and place it here. Okay, and now let's check our slideshow. Now if you press the big logo button, it goes to that slide. You can go to home, press the small logo button, and it goes to the subsequent slide. But there's an issue with this. If I'm somewhere else on the document and click a button, it goes to the next slide. And again, if I do the click, it goes to the next slide. We don't want this. We want to prevent these random clicks. To do that, let's go back into the main presentation and now go to the main ribbon, go to transitions and say advanced slide on mouse click. Just uncheck that. Do that to all the slides. So now the transition cannot be based on mouse clicks. So now if you go to this presentation and let me say I'm clicking somewhere else on the document, there is no response. Now if I click the button, it goes to the respective slide. This type of setup can be really useful where you need to have dynamic presentations to go to various parts of it depending on how the presentation is progressing. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.